Alright, this is going to be my first post on the Beamer forums here. I am running into some issues with my E24 in which when I go to turn the car to on, I am hearing an extremely awful clicking noise. Let's see if it actually wants to do it for me here. There we go. Now this noise will go away if I tap on the brake, and come back if I take my foot off the brake. Now, let me open the hood up here. It seems to be coming from, if somebody can tell me what this is, this annoying little box right here. I do not know what this is, but this seems to be the noise where it's coming from, and it causes the throttle cable to be moved, and I can change the timing on that. I have absolutely no idea what this is. It's quite frustrating. But anyways, thanks for looking.